Hello everyone and welcome to the Literacy Center Math tutorial. This is Meghna and today we are going to talk about how do we multiply fractions. So let's begin. So in the previous tutorials we learned how to add and subtract fractions. Today we are going to understand how to multiply fractions. Multiplying fraction is relatively simple and straightforward. There is a simple rule we need to follow here. And what is that rule? When you have a problem in front of you, when you need to multiply two fractions, what you need to do here? First, multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. And then, whatever you get as a result, reduce that fraction to its simplest form. It's simple and straightforward, right? Know the rule. Whenever multiplying fractions together, for example, a divided by b multiplied by another fraction c divided by d is equal to, what you need to do? You need to multiply the numerator first, that would be a multiplied by c, and then multiply the denominators together, that is b and d. So it would be a multiplied by c divided by b multiplied by d, right? So let's see some example here to solve this equation here. 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. Can you multiply these two fractions? Yes. How do we do it? Multiply the numerator, that would be 3 into 1. Then multiply the denominator, that would be 4 into 2. And our result would be 3 by 8. So you might have noticed here that the fraction 3 by 8 cannot be simplified further, since 8 and 3 do not have a common divisor, right? So our answer is 3 by 8. It is simple and straightforward, right? So now can we try to multiply fraction by whole number? Now that you are familiar with the rule for multiplying a fraction by a fraction, you can use it to multiply a fraction by a whole number. You can do this using the same rule. Just one step is added to that process. And what is that step? Let's explore. Let's start with an example here. What if I ask you to multiply 2 by 7 into 3? So here 2 by 7 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number, right? So how are we going to do it? First, you need to start by converting the whole number 3 into a fraction. Any number divided by 1 is equal to itself. So you can write that whole number in a fraction form like this, 3 by 1. Now you can apply your rule. Multiply the numerator 2 into 3. Multiply denominator 7 into 1. And then you will get your result, that is 6 by 7. And since 6 by 7 cannot be simplified further, we can conclude that our answer for 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 is 6 by 7. So now we understood that we need to remember a few things when we multiply fractions. There is no need to find a least common denominator. Multiplying fraction is comparatively easy and straightforward. What you need to do? Numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. And the last step would be simplify your result if you can. So if you have any question or if you need any help with this tutorial or with the subject, you can text us or email us and we will get back to you. Thank you.